I guess, as you can see, I still like gum. Wish you were here. So sad without you. Look. Look at all those empty. All those sad empty desks. Me chew gum here by myself. Anyway, we are going to be on the Check My Progress page. And there's not an online lesson for it, so you get my voice, you poor things, the whole time. So here, oh, someone else is upside down. Sorry. I forgot to make sure you're writing your name on the paper. Write your name on the paper, write your name. Write your name on paper, write your name. If you don't write your name, then they all look the same. Write your name on your paper, write your name. Don't forget. Okay, here is the Check My Progress vocabulary check. Let me spit my gum out. Okay, it's only good for so long. Complete each sentence. So here we have our vocabulary words, length, and, let me get my fancy little finger, unit. So let's fill in the sentence. Complete the sentence. You can use cubes and paper clips to measure. Each cube or paper clip is one. Would you say one length or one unit? You would say one unit. Number 2, you can measure how long an object is or its. And obviously we have one word left and we know our vocabulary, it is length. So now we're on to the concept check to compare. Circle the shorter object. So here you have, is that a crayon or chalk? I'm not sure. And then a pencil. And then a bicycle and a skateboard. Hopefully you circled whatever that is, chalk, and the little finger skateboard. Now we're going to order the objects by length. Write 1 for short, 2 for shorter, and 3 for shortest. So 1 for short. So you're going to choose actually the longest one. Which one is shorter? Well, that one is shorter. And then which one is shortest? All right, turn your page over. And now we have order the objects by length. 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. So long, which one is just long? Okay, the glue stick, which is just longer than the glue stick. The scissors, and which one is the longest of all 3? The paintbrush. I forgot to say, you are going to need your Lincoln cubes. They were included with your packet, so I'll give you a second to go get those. I had 14. How do I have 14? You like to have, excuse me, you like to have 10? Okay, hopefully you had enough time to go find those. So now we're going to measure the marker. So make sure you're lining up the end of your Lincoln cubes with the end. Well, let's see. 4 is not long enough. 5, it looks like about right. A little over. So we're going to say, well, it's about 5. Okay, number 8. Gia has a box, a globe, and an apple. The box is longer than the globe. The globe is longer than the apple. Is the apple longer or shorter than the box? So Gia has, hey, one second. Sorry about that. Someone walked into my classroom. So Gia has a box, a globe, and an apple. The box is longer than the globe. The globe is longer than the apple. Is the apple longer or shorter than the box? So you'll remember that the apple is shorter than the globe, and the globe is shorter than the box. So the apple would be shorter than the box, because the apple was the shortest. Okay, so here we have which object is longer than the pencil?
Is there any teachers in the building? When you come to the office, please, any teachers in the building come to the office. Thanks.
Did you hear Mrs. Gailey? We're just about finished, so we're going to say the paint. The paint is the only one that's longer then. All right, you guys have a fabulous day. Make it great.